Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today we will do uh, our B.Sc course G. This and today we are going to run this first command. Okay. So just type your password here and and if you want to uh, watch or see all the database, then type show databases colons. That's it. Here all the database are here, and if you want to choose any of these database, just use college. I choosing college. So our database is changed. Now we are entered in the database college. Now have to uh, we need to show the tables here, that how many tables are created in this college database. So just type show tables and this one. Okay, now we have three tables here: admission, course and student. So here we have to retrieve name of student enrolled in any course. Okay, so we need to get the name. So just first show um, so just select start from course. So here our first database command is cleared. Okay, and in this first one here we have to show the student names that are enrolled in the course table. So we got it here. These are the uh, these are the names of the course, and this is the table. That's our first query. I hope you guys understood. That's it for today, and keep learning. See ya guys, bye.